In this video, you will learn how to manipulate more of the About page required elements. For this tutorial, we'll focus on downloading and uploading our Lynda certificates to our digital portfolio website and linking those certificates to our certificates section on our About page. To get started, you'll need to log into lynda.com through FSO's portal. So open up FSO's portal and then locate your profile picture in the top right. Click on your profile picture in the top right, and there's a menu option, and one of those menu options is Resources, and under Resources, you'll find Lynda. Click on Lynda. Here, you'll need to log in to Lynda using your Full Sail email address. Now that you have correctly logged into lynda.com, you can locate all of the certificates that you have for your completed courses by clicking on your profile in the top right, and on the menu, select Certificates. Here, you can download all of your certificates. For the sake of this exercise, I'm going to download a few different certificates. So the way that you download is you simply click View and Print, and then once this new window has opened up, you'll want to select Save as a PDF. You'll save it to your local device by clicking Save, and then you can exit out of that window. Now you'll want to download another one of your certificates by doing the exact same thing. View and Print, new window opens, click Save as a PDF, and then save to your local device, then close the window. And I'll do it once more. View and Print, new window, save as a PDF, save button to your local device. And once it has been saved, you can close out of the window. Okay, now that we have our Lynda certificates downloaded to our local device, we need to upload them to our digital portfolio website. So navigate back to your dashboard of your digital portfolio website. And here on the left menu, you'll want to select Media. Under Media, you'll have a full library of all the images and other media that you have uploaded to your site. In this case, you're going to want to click Add New up at the top. Click Add New, and a new field opens up. Here, you're going to want to select Files. Now you'll want to locate the files that you just downloaded to your local device. Those files for me are located here, and by using the Command key when you click, you can actually select multiple files at the same time. So I'm using Command and then I'm clicking, and now you can see two files being highlighted. And I believe I had one more. That would be this one here. Oh, I'm sorry. This one here. Okay. Now that I have all of my certifications highlighted, I now select Open. And now that's going to open all three files on my digital portfolio website. This usually takes a few minutes depending on the size of the files. These files by default are rather small, so it shouldn't take too long, but as you can see, it does take a little bit of time. Now all three of my certificates have been uploaded to my digital portfolio website. The next thing that you'll need to do is you'll need to copy the links to each one of these media files and save them in a safe location. So click on one of the media files and it'll open up a new window. On the left, you see your certificate, and on the right, you'll notice that there's a URL field. You're going to need to highlight that entire URL and then Command C to copy that URL, and now you'll need to save it in a safe location. I usually use a plain text file with TextEdit application on my Mac, but you may want to use a Word file as well. Command V to paste it in my safe location. And now we navigate back to our website, and we can click out of that window, and then we'll want to click on a new certification and grab this unique URL as well. So highlight the URL, Command C to copy it, Command V to paste it in our safe location, and then navigate back to our site, click out of it, and then click in the new certification and copy that URL, Command C to copy, and then navigate to our safe location, Command V to paste it, and navigate back to our site. Okay, now we have saved all three of our media files URLs. We're going to need those in just a moment. The next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up your About page in the Elementor user interface. To do so, locate Pages on the left menu and select All Pages. Now you'll want to locate your About page and select. Here you'll want to click Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor user interface. Okay, now that we're on our About page, we can scroll down to the certifications section. This is where we're going to link our certifications to each one of the appropriate text. Let's say for a moment that we earned a Lynda certification for social media management. Well, we can click anywhere within this box and you'll notice that the left pane changes. Here you can include whichever certification you earned in the title box. And then under link, we're going to want to link that to our media file. So let's go back to our certification. Let's say that this was the certification for social media management. You're going to Command C to copy that URL, and then come here and Command V to paste the URL. All right. So now whenever somebody clicks on social media management, they are going to be redirected to your certification. They're actually going to see that you are certified by Lynda for having completed that course. The other thing that you'll do is you'll want to change the font as well as the font color for each one of these sections. Maybe you haven't actually earned 6 certifications yet, so you can delete an entire section by hovering over that section and clicking the edit with the right click, and that opens up your menu, and then you can select delete and it'll delete the entire section. If you wanted to delete the lines, you just hover over them where you have the little blue edit option, right click on it and delete the line itself. So you can delete these sections if you haven't completed 6 certifications. You can always duplicate an entire section by doing the same process. You can mouse over a particular section, right click on the edit, and then you can select duplicate from the edit menu. And here you can see that now copywriting has been duplicated. You can also duplicate a line by doing the same process. Hover over, click the edit option by right clicking, and then duplicate. So now I got another line. And now if I wanted that line to appear above, in between, I guess I should say, of the 2 copywritings, I just simply, when I hover over, I click the edit and I drag it where I want it to go. So drag and drop that right back over on top of copywriting. So that's how you manipulate the lines if you're deleting or adding new certifications throughout your degree program here at Full Sail. Make sure that the text reads to whatever certification you earned. So instead of copywriting, maybe I earned one on job searching. Okay. Maybe another one is, instead of copywriting, public speaking, and you change that. Oops. You change that over here in the title box. Okay. Again, to change the style of either the font family or the color, just select Style, Text Color, click the color palette, and then put your hex code for your color in there. Typography, the font family, by default, it's Roboto, but you'll want to change it to another text style that you chose in a previous tutorial. And then you'll want to also do the same for the title of the certifications area. So to change that, click anywhere within it. And instead of certifications, you might want to specify that these are all Lynda certifications or lynda.com certifications. Okay. And there you go. And there you have it. That is how you link a certification to one of your certification spots down here. And that's also how you can change these lines. You can change the color, the font. You can change the text to read whatever certifications you've earned. And you can remove some of these lines as well. Once you have made changes, you'll need to make sure that you, as always, click the update button in green in the bottom left to save all the changes that you just got done making, and you're good to go.